Fifth problem, find the possible expressions for the length and breadth. That means they are asking us to find out length and breadth of each of the following rectangles. So this expression given for a rectangle whose areas are given by the following expressions in square units. So these are the areas of the rectangles given in the form of expression. So let us solve the first one. So in this you can see that this is a perfect square. So what we can do for 25, can we write 5 square? Yes. 5a whole square we can write minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So that can be written as 3b whole square. So 2a is 5a and b is 3b. Okay. So let us write down the identity. Identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square. So what is a? A is 5a minus 3b whole square. Okay, so square means a into a square. Okay, so 5a minus 3b square means we can write it 2 times. So let us write down the possible. So possible length and breadth are 5a minus 3b and 5a minus 3b. Now let us solve second bit. Second bit is also having the perfect squares. Okay, like 36 is a perfect square, 49 is also perfect square. So can we write, first let us write down this as it is. 36 s square minus 49 t square. Okay, so this can be written as 6 s whole square minus 7t whole square. Okay, so this is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, what is a here? 6s plus b is 70 and a is 6s minus b is 7t. Okay, so these are the length and breadth. So therefore length is equals to 6s plus 70 and breadth is equals to 6s minus 70.